QLED versus Crystal UHD. Basically, the best TV technology in this year. So, choosing the right TV can definitely make a big difference in your picture quality, brightness, contrast, but in the general sense of the viewing experience. So, you have QLED and Crystal UHD for this video. So, one of the two popular LCD based technologies used by major brands, but they do target slightly different priorities. While QLED over here focuses on enhanced color and brightness, while Crystal UHD offers solid performance at a more affordable price point. But we're going to dive deeper on each of these. So we're going to start with QLED over here. So QLED does stand for quantum dot LED. So a type of LCD TV that uses a quantum dot layer to improve brightness and color performance beyond standard LED or LCD models. It's commonly used in higher-end TVs from brands like Samsung and TCL, and in our case, we're showing a Samsung brand. So it has higher brightness levels, great for bright rooms and HDR content, richer, more accurate colors due to the quantum dot enhancement, better color volumes, so the colors remain vibrant even at high brightness, which pretty much makes it excellent for HDR movies, sports, gaming, those kinds of stuff. Definitely the ones with strong color pops, but it is still LCD based, so blacks and contrasts aren't as deep as the OLED version, but we're not doing OLED for this video. Slightly more expensive than basic LED or LCD TVs, with a picture quality that can vary wildly between models depending on local dimming and panel quality. But anyways, more on that later. We're gonna move with Crystal UHD over here. So this pretty much refers to Samsung's branded version of a standard 4K LCD LED with enhanced color processing. It's pretty much positioned as a mid-range TV offering solid 4K performance without the premium price tag. So this is the choice you can do if you're somewhat in a budget or something. So it is with great value, strong performance at a more affordable cost compared to QLED, clean upscaling and processing from the Crystal processor, making HD content look quite better. Lots of highlights, but it is quite similar to QLED. Both has its pros and cons. And speaking of cons for Crystal UHD, the lower brightness and color range compared to the QLED can pretty much just vary. Blacks and contrasts are more limited on basic LCD panels, and it's not really ideal if you want the deepest HDR impact or wide color gamut. So as a little final verdict for this video, you can go ahead and choose QLED if you watch a lot of HDR movies, sports, or just play games in bright rooms. The improved color volume and brightness makes a notable difference, so it's best for brightness and color richness. Whilst Crystal UHD over here is a strong all-around choice for general TV watching, streaming, and everyday content if you are on a budget. So best for value and everyday viewing. But you can always go ahead and take a look at these yourselves if you'd like. But that's it for this video comparing QLED and Crystal UHD. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.